Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, it's Black Friday today. Oh my god, Black Friday. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Killer Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, November the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. Yes, it's the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve this Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 9677. And before I start, I always kind of printed digits. Well, this is a Killer Sudoku. We have 4 given numbers. Yes, 4 given numbers. The 2 in this triple box of 11, that means that those 2 boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. We have an 8 in this triple box of 15, that means that those 2 boxes together should be a 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Same for here. These two, okay. We have a given number 4 in this triple box of 20. It means that those 2 boxes together should be 16. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, for a puzzle with 20 to 30 minutes, it's a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. This we have 9 sharing boxes. 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has also 1 sharing box. This one is complete. Well, a complete big square, the total sum of a big square is always 45. If you count all these numbers, it will be 45. The total sum of a row is 45. Well, this row has 1 sharing box. The total sum of a column is always 45. Okay, let me continue. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, and this one is complete. Let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 10 plus 11 is 21. Plus 17 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box should be a 7. In the box of 15, the combination here will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Then this box is complete. Okay, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 11 is 23. 23 plus 17 is 40. 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3. Now, this big square. Oh, let me go to this big square. Yeah. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, so 9 plus 7 is 16. Double 16 is 32. 32 plus 10 is 42. 42, so 45 minus 42 is 3. This box will be a 3. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. Okay, now this big square has 1 sharing box. If you count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 10 plus 15 plus 11 is 36. 36, so 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box will be a 9. In the box of 12, the combination will be 9 plus 3. Okay. So now all the boxes are filled with numbers. my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 17, only one combination. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. The box of 4, only one combination. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. The box of 17, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. Let me mark those. 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 9, 11, 9, 17. The box of 17, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. 8, 8, 8, 13. The box of 3, only one combination. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 16, only one combination. 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. And we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. So in the third column, the 9 should be in one of those two boxes. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, of course. So the 9 should be here. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4. Okay. The box of 16, only one combination. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, 11, 10. Okay, now, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. Well, double 4 is not allowed, so the 4 should be in the box of 11, combination 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the number is the 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Okay. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left, the 7 goes in the box of 11. Combination 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Okay. Now, need a 3 there. 2, 1. How about? Well, in this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, third column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square should be here. And these 2 boxes together should be a 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, plus 2 is equal to 11. Okay, what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 1, 3, 6. Okay. That means 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 5. 2 plus 5. Let me mark those. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay, the 4 should be here. 4 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left. 8 goes in the box of 9. Combination 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 10. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these two boxes. The 1 should be in the box of 8. Combination 1 and the 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So the 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. In the box of 12, combination will be 9 plus 3. In the box of 10, the combination will be 6 plus 4. Okay, 4 and a 7. We have 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only two places left. 7 goes in the box of 13. Combination 7 and 6. 7 and 6. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2, no, 3, 4. 4 and 7, yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7, well, the 7 is already used in a box of 13. So the 4 should be in a box of 9. Combination 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be in a 5 goes there. The other pair in this big square other number is the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 9. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. I need to wait. Well, we have a 5 in this column. I've marked those two boxes already, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column from the mark. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3, that means in the triple box of 10, these two boxes together should be 7. 7. Okay. 5 plus 2 or 6 plus 1. Here, these two boxes together should be 7. So it could be 5 plus 2 or 6 plus 1. I need to wait here. 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So 3 should be here in the box of 9. Combination will be 3 plus 6. 1, 3, 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So this should be a 1 then. Okay. 7 and 9. 3 and 6. So here should be also 3 and a 6. If it's a 3, then this should be a 5. If this is 6, this should be a 2. Well, we already have a 2 in this column. Yeah, 3 and a 6. Well, it cannot be here a 6. If it's a 6, then this should be a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 6. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. Here, 1 box left in this first row from number 3. Okay. 2 and 1. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left. 5 goes in the box of 13. Combination 5 and the 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in, a 5 goes there. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we need a 5 here. Combination will be 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be in, the 2 goes there. 2 and 1, we have 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5 and a 6. We have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. In the box of 10, combination will be 4 plus 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Oh wait, 2 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. Okay, 2 and the 7. Then let me see. How about 8 8 and a 9. We already have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be, and 9 goes there. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left, the 7 should be there. In the box of 8 combination will be 7 plus 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 2 should be there. 7 and 6, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 50 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Black Friday.